Part 1, 4th chapter, pair of straight lines will start. Now first we will see the basic which we have learnt in 11th standard. So for the straight line equations formulas we will see. So this we have seen in 11th standard, that is, first is point slope form. For a point slope form, the equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So x1 and y1 are the points and m is the slope. Second is 2-point form. When 2 points are there, means x1 y1 and x2 y2. So equation is y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. Third is slope intercept form. So when the m is the slope intercept and c is the intercept, x y is equal to mx plus c. Next, double intercept form, and two intercepts are there, x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Next is general form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then normal form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. And then how to find the slope? Slope m is equal to, see the formulas for the slope. Slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Suppose this is a line and 2 points are there. Then how to find the slope? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now here, see the general form. For general form, how to find the slope? M is equal to minus a upon b. Minus a upon b. Now one more is there, when angle is given, m is equal to tan theta. Now slope of parallel lines, they are always equal. The slope of one line is suppose m1, another line is m2, then m1 is equal to m2. And slope of perpendicular lines is equal to multiplication of the two slopes is equal to minus 1. So these are the things we will need in solving the sums. So now for the first exercise, what we will need is combined equation of pair of lines. An equation which represents two lines is called as combined equation of two lines. Let u is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c. V is equal to a2x plus b2y plus c. Equation u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0 represents the lines, two lines. And the equation u plus kv is equal to 0 represent the family of lines. Then see, these are the separate equation of line, and how to write its combined equation? uv is equal to 0 is called as combined equation of the line. So combined equation of the pair of straight line is also called as joint equation of pair of straight lines. Equation u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0 are the separate equations of the line represented by uv is equal to 0. So uv is equal to 0 is combined equation, and u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0 are called as separate equations. So in first exercise, suppose combined equation is given, you have to find separate, and if separate are given, you have to find the combined equation. So exercise 4.1, first sum, see, find the combined equation of the following pair of lines. So here separate equations are given, you have to find the combined equation. Very easy chapter it is. 2x plus y is equal to 0 and 3x minus y is equal to 0. See, this is the separate equations are given, you have to find the combined equation. So the combined equation of u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0 is uv is equal to 0. So this is u, this is v, multiply is equal to 0, multiply 2 into 3x, 2x into 3x, 6x square, 2x into minus y minus 2xy, y into 3x plus 3xy, and minus plus y into minus y is minus y square is equal to 0. So 6x square minus 2xy plus 3xy is equal to xy minus y square is equal to 0. This is the required combined equation. Next one, second one, x plus, see in the first sum the constant was not there, now here minus 1 and plus 2 is there. So these equations, and you have to find the combined equation. Same, these two sentences are very important. In each and every sum you have to write these two sentences. That is, the combined equation of the lines u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0 is uv is equal to 0, and the combined equations of the lines, these two lines, is, so multiply two equations is equal to 0, multiply it, and see, write in this form. First x square will come, then xy will come, then y square will come, then x terms will come, y terms will come, and then constant is equal to 0. See, do your calculation and find out answer. So this is the required combined equation. This sentence also you have to write. Next one is third one. Find the combined equation of the line passing through 2, 3 and parallel to the coordinate axis. So parallel to the coordinate axis means this is a x coordinate. So required lines are x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. See, in rough draw and see the coordinate axis. Then point 2, 3, which will be in the first quadrant. So from that point 2, if you draw the line, it will be x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Then its equation will be x minus 2 is equal to 0 and y minus 3 is equal to 0. So here directly equations are not given. You have to find out the equation. So we got here separate equation. Now how to write the combined equation. So these two sentences you have to write. The combined equation of u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0 is uv is equal to 0, and combined equation of these two lines is, multiply it and write down the answer. This is the required equation. Next one. Find the combined equation of the line passing through 2, 3. We will write it as x1, y1 and perpendicular to the line 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. So first we will find out the slope of the perpendicular lines. So slope of perpendicular lines, slope of this line by general form we will find out minus a upon b. This is a and this is b, so minus a upon b. Slope of this line minus a upon b means minus 1 upon minus 3 is 1 upon 3. Now the required line is perpendicular, so required the slopes of the required line is, they are perpendicular, so its slope will be 2 upon 3 and see here 2 upon 3, this minus sign will go and it will become reverse, and this is 3 upon 1 and minus 3. So equations of, first you have to find the equation and then you have to find its combined form. So equations of the line by, here we will, two slopes are there, point is there, so here we will find by slope point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 for both the slopes. So this is x1 y1, so y minus y1 means minus 3 is equal to first slope 2 upon 3 and x minus 2, y minus y1 is equal to minus 3 this slope into x minus 2. So solve this, this 3 will come here, open the bracket, you will get two equation, two separate equation. Same sentence you have to write it again, multiply the two equations which is equal to 0, multiply the two equations and write in the standard form, that is 6x square minus 7xy minus 3y square minus 3x plus 32y minus 45 is equal to 0. Next one. Find the combined equation of the line passing through minus 1, 2. Okay, one is parallel to x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 and other is perpendicular to 2x minus 3y minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So see, these two lines are given. Slope of parallel line is by minus a upon b form. So minus 1 upon 3 minus a upon b, and slope of perpendicular line is minus a upon second line minus a upon b, means minus 2 upon minus 3 is 2 upon 3. So the slope of required lines are minus 1 upon 3 and minus 3 upon 2. Then again you will use the slope point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and y minus 2, this is x1 y1, this slope, and x plus 1, and y minus 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 x plus 1. So open the bracket and find the two separate equations. Now the combined equation is this, and this equation multiply it is equal to 0, multiply, open the bracket, multiply it, and write it in the standard form.